Welcome to Botier Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to delight your customers with online promotions campaign via CMS. Please note that CMS is only available for Business Plan and Business Plus users. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, we will guide you on setting the online promotion campaign for your customers. In your homepage, tap on Promotions. Then, select Add Campaigns. You'll see there is a list of campaigns that you can do. Do note that Business Plan users can do only one campaign from the list at one time, whereas Business Plus users can do unlimited campaigns all at the same time. For first purchase order, customers who log in to become a member will enjoy discount when buying for the first time in your online store. Fill in the required details. You can set a minimum purchase requirement to enjoy the discount. Next, click Preview to see the summary of your campaign details. Once done, click Setup. Next, for order discount, you can set up discounts and offer to your customers. You can choose the target audience based on your preferences. You can also choose the type of offer, either % discount or cash coupon. In addition, you can promote your order discount campaign through email. By clicking Get Template Message, system will automatically load the pre-filled email content. Once done, click Preview and tap on Setup to create the campaign. Moving on, for shipping discount, customers will enjoy free shipping promotion. You can set up the maximum delivery discount amount that you'd like to offer. Choose the delivery option that will be covered for your free shipping campaign. We'll move on to the free gift campaign. You can choose to give free gift to customers once they bought the selected products or reach a minimum purchase requirement. For the free gift, you can add up more free gift from the list and customers can select one of them in each order. Note that you may unpublish products that you would like to turn them into exclusive free gifts so that customers cannot find them on your online shop. Last but no least, for product discount, you can give offer to your customers when they bought your products in bundle. Please note that your customers can only enjoy the discount if bought all your selected bundle products. Once done, click on Preview to see the summary of your campaign and click Setup. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Download Botier now on Google Play Store or App Store.